Welcome to the Esprit Addressable Network Setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the installation and programming for the TPC A05 network card as shown below. The TPC A05 network card installation is as follows. Make sure the mains and power are switched off and the batteries are disconnected before proceeding. The next step is to remove the ribbon cable connectors from the socket COMS A, located in the middle left-hand side of the PSU card. Fit the TPC A05 network card into the COMS A socket and support the card using the 4 supplied plastic standoffs. Be careful when you install the standoffs not to damage the main PCB. It's best to use your fingers. Reconnect the ribbon cable from the display into the socket on the PCA05 network card. Set the required addressable value on the network cards. The address for the master panel will always be 0. That's all 4 of the little deal switches in the off position. It'll be address 1 to 7 for the slave panels, and addresses 1 to 8 for any repeaters. Power up the panel and execute the learn procedure to add the network card to the panel configuration. Fault-tolerant and legacy-wired networks. Fault-tolerant connections require 2 2-core fire-rated cables. Fault-tolerant connections are from COM A POSINEG on the master to COMS B POSINEG on the next slave/repeater, and then onto the next panel, onto the next repeater, all the way through. The last panel on the network should have a return leg connected between the COMS A on the last panel and then via 2-core all the way back to the COMS B POSINEG on the master panel to complete the loop configuration. Legacy mode connections require a single 2-core fire-rated cable between each panel. Legacy mode connections are COMS A POSINEG in your master to COMS A POSINEG in the next slave/repeater to COMS A POSINEG in the next panel to the next panel to the next panel. There's no return leg on these, so it's just a 2-core all the way through. Legacy mode network should have a 120 ohm termination fitted to both the first and last panel as per the drawing shown. The programming to allow the network card to be seen is achieved by step 1, selecting the config menu. Step 2, entering the access code 3333 or whatever code you've changed it to for the level 3. Step 3 is to select the learn option. Step 4, the system will perform a learn where it scans for new cards and new devices, and at the end will list the network panels through repeaters it's found. If this is correct, press the return button to accept. Your network is then up and running. That's the end of this tutorial.